I'm sprinting to the checkout line. There's a girl in line in front of me. She asks the woman behind the counter, how is your day today? The woman behind the counter looks up from all the bagging, says today is not a good day. No, today is really hard. You see, she says, today's the day. The girl I love is getting married to someone else who isn't me. Today is really hard. And the buzz keeps getting louder, and my chest keeps getting tighter, and the buzz keeps getting louder, and my breath keeps getting faster, and I feel like a cup beneath the waterfall, and I